For today's video, I am doing a beach makeup tutorial, and this has kind of been the look I've been doing almost every time I've worn makeup while I've been here. It's really simple, and a plus side of it is it's like 80% clean beauty. I'm trying to switch over to clean beauty, so you know, we're finding products that work. Some things I haven't found yet, but I am trying. And right now I have on a crap load of skincare. I got burnt, so my entire chin is dry, peeling, and cracking. So makeup will not pretty much be going from here down, minus my lips. But yeah, I just zoomed us in. I don't know if we need to be closer, but we're gonna be. And the very first thing I'm using is this RMS Uncover Concealer, and it's a really nice emollient, creamy concealer. It is, I'm pretty sure, coconut oil based, which is really nice because that means it gives that dewy finish, and considering how my face is right now, I need as much dew as possible. So I'm just tapping it underneath my eyes. I don't like to cover up my dark circles too much. We're just brightening, I guess. If I didn't have to film a video, I definitely wouldn't be, because I don't want to wear makeup today, but I haven't posted in like 6 months, and you know, we gotta keep on the grind. Natural beauty, clean life. This is a changed channel. I'm a new person. I'm just gonna put some right through here. Ah! There's 5 million cores. What the heck? I'm gonna be taking this Milk Makeup bronzer. ASMR. I want to get the RMS bronzer. They have like 2, I'm pretty sure. I just don't know which one to buy. If anyone's tried it out, let me know. Me and my friend Chloe went to the beach together because she's also staying down here, and we both got burnt like tomatoes. And I don't burn that much, but I got burnt like right here on my chest, and you can't, I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but I'm so burnt on my face, like the bottom half of it. It's horrendous and it's very painful. Don't recommend. And I use sunscreen. I'm a very large advocate of using sunscreen, so I'm kind of surprised I got burnt. It's probably because I haven't been in the sun. It's probably because I haven't been in the sun since like September, but still. Did you see that Real Techniques changed their Expert face brush? I just used it, and then this is the new version. It's kind of quirky, but I'm gonna now go into this RMS Lipped Cheek in the shade Smile. It's like this. It's really pretty, nice poppy color. Mine's disgusting. Ew, oh my god. Pressing it on my cheeks. And in this look, we don't use powder because it's not necessary. 5 million cars decide to come drive through here as I'm filming. I have 2 RMS luminizers. I'm trying to decide which one I want to use. Actually, I have 3. I brought like all of my RMS stuff with me. I think I'm gonna go with Living Luminizer today. Okay. It is such a real, it's just gorgeous. It's a nice glazy highlighter. I'm just gonna apply it on my nose. And what I love about RMS and other clean beauty like this is that you can really not use a mirror, apply it, and it's not gonna look like that bad. Like, honestly, I've been in class at school and I realized that I didn't put on highlighter or whatnot, and I'll just take my finger, because I always have a little makeup bag with me, and I apply a little bit, like this. Not really done blending highlighter in a while. I'm loving the RMS powdered highlighter, the new ones that came out. Those are really pretty. But other than that, I've been keeping it low-key, super simple. I'm gonna fill them in a bit more than usual just because I've been liking doing that lately. This is the new Urban Decay's like double-sided eyebrow pencil, where they got the pencil on one side. I'm using the shade, I thought this would help some people out, Brown Sugar. It's a really good color match for me. It's got just enough warmth that my brows don't look black, but it still matches the ashy tones. And then the other side has these little pins, like felt tip liner, and I just kind of run it through. I kind of want another one of these in a darker shade because I feel like the felt tip doesn't give enough impact for my personal taste. But I mean, teach their own. My RMS eye polish, I feel so stupid. All I brought with me was like RMS stuff, so that's why I'm using all of it. This is the eye polish in the shade Utopia, and I love this. It's not, RMS eye polishes are not extremely pigmented per se. They're just glossy on the eyes. Like, they're not long lasting. They will crease. They're gonna look messy, but it's that nice editorial worn in look, you know? So there's the eyes. They're so pretty. They're just like yummy. This is like my favorite shade from the NARS Wanted palette. It's like a cream version of that, and that's what I love about it. And now I'm gonna continue with my brows, and I'm taking this Benefit Clear Brow Gel and I'm pushing my brows down. If you have long straggly brows like me and need a way to set them in place, try this out. So I push them down and just keep them like this for a minute. And then I go back in and I push them up. I know not everyone likes my brows, but I don't care. I like them like this. Because they're, I don't know, they look thicker when I do that. So right now I'm just going to apply a little bit of a Burt's Bees tinted lip balm. This is the shade Zinnia. I love these. They had such a nice flush.
Hey, what's up guys, Scares here again. Got another video back from the Pretty good vlogger. What's up boys? What's up? What's up guys, Scares here. Back at again another video. So today we're gonna be doing, is it gonna be in the video?
You want it to be. I'm now taking the Maybelline Snapscara, and this is so good. It's like the Glossier Lash Slick, which is another one of my favorites, but with a lot more, just more. And my trick is curl your lash, do mascara, then do the other lash. Because I find if I curl them both, then they fall. Don't worry if you get mascara on your eyelid, because the eyeshadow I'm wearing underneath it, I can always go back over and just kind of wipe away what's not good. And then on my lips, even though I do have on that little bit of Burt's Bees, I'm gonna go in with the RMS Lip Shine in Bloom. This is basically like a potted gloss. It's really interesting. I accidentally bought this thinking it was one of their lip to cheeks, and then I put it on my cheek and I was like, dude, this is greasy and it's got no pigmentation. And then I realized it was a lip shine. So that pretty much completes this look. It's super easy. It this video is probably a bit longer than what it actually takes me. I can probably complete this in 5 or 6 minutes, depending on, you know, what's going on, and sometimes I will skip bronzer. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment your favorite cream products down below, give me some recommendations. I'm always here to try out new stuff, and yeah, FedEx do this. Okay. Also, let me know when your spring break is, because right now I'm on mine and it's interesting. So yeah, bye guys.